What set Northvolt apart from conventional battery manufacturing is this rooted commitment to sustainability in everything we do, from the product design to the recycling approach that ties it all together. Northvolt was founded on this vision of the world's greenest battery. The battery industry is evolving very, very rapidly. How do we design factories when we don't really know what's going into the factory? This requires a mindset of that nothing is sacred. You need to be able to challenge your internal processes, your internal mindset, internal tools, and have the boldness to say, no, this is not working. Propose something new and move in a better direction.
For us to achieve that, we need to be able to do the whole process from start to finish, from sourcing materials to the cell design, cell manufacturing, all the way to recycling. You have the whole process in-house.
To enable this reduced time from someone says, I want a battery, to battery out of a new factory facility, it really comes to parallelization. And it's really there where this integrated factory design mindset and the Autodesk ecosystem shines for us. The factory is an inorganic organism where every single component needs to work together for this common goal. So we need to think of how can we design and work with the product in parallel with the process and production, with the facility and factory, with construction, commissioning, and just get it all done. Our designs need to account for that.
So we need to build our ecosystem around tools that talk very well together. Data loss is unacceptable. Whatever he's doing, I need to see it. Whatever she's doing, I need to be able to see it and share it with the right people.
Autodesk provides that platform to build this toolbox for us. For the architects, we use Revit. It's very efficient to draw buildings. For more process layouts about placement of machines on floors, we use the factory design utility tools with Inventor, with AutoCAD, with Navis in a Volt PDM environment. For BIM coordination, we use Navisworks to compile everything. For model management and collaboration, we use Autodesk Construction Cloud to really have a cloud-based point of all stakeholders to watch this common model.
So now we're very excited about Autodesk Platform Services, which basically enables us to access many different APIs and tools within the Autodesk ecosystem and put them together in different ways that we want to bridge the gaps between the different tools and make them do almost exactly what we want them to.
We have proven that you can build industry in a new way, that the sustainability mission is not mutually exclusive from being profitable and commercially successful. We have been able to significantly optimize factory design, and we can show with numbers pulled from a live model. Yes, it is cheaper, it is smaller, it is more efficient. That's something I'm very proud of, to have opened that door and opened the mindset to enable the next era of industry.